If you are a student moving from class 10 to class 11, then these are the books you need for your class 11 preparation.
So as you can see, so these are my textbooks which I'll be using for my class 11. Okay, so there are NCERTs also, and there are also the state syllabus books which are prescribed by the government of Karnataka. So I have taken Hindi as my second language and English. Okay, so for Hindi we have here Sahitya Vaibhav. So this is prescribed by the government of Karnataka. Okay, so this is the prescribed book which is necessary for Hindi language if you are taking in your class 11. Okay, and then this is the textbook, and here we have a workbook for Sahitya Vaibhav. Okay, so this is first PUC Hindi workbook. Okay, so this is also prescribed by the government of Karnataka. And then we got our English English literature textbook, which is Reflections. Okay, so this contains all the story parts and all those other things. Now this is also prescribed by the government of Karnataka, which is Reflections English textbook for first PUC. And here we have articulations. Now this is for your English language. Okay, so it is English workbook, but it also contains many grammar parts as well as the basic things necessary for daily life and all. So it is contained in this book, articulation. As you can see, this is also prescribed by the government of Karnataka. Then now we come to the national books, which is NCERT. Okay, so you can see we have biology, physics, chemistry, and then we have mathematics. Okay, so now these are the NCERT books. These are the national books which are prescribed by the central government of India. Okay, so these are common in almost every board, I guess. Even in ISC and in CBSE also you follow these same NCERT books. Now here for mathematics we have class 11 NCERT. So as you can see, so this is the NCERT book. Okay, it's this much thick. Okay, so you can see here, so this is NCERT book. Okay, prescribed by the state of the central government. So this is the index page. So we have these are the chapters which are present in our class 11 syllabus for mathematics. Okay, so these are the syllabus mentioned here. Okay, so this is our max textbook for class 11 NCERT. Okay, now here is the chemistry NCERT book. Now chemistry and physics we have two different parts. So chemistry, it comes first is part 1, another is part 2. Okay, so this is the part 1 book which is prescribed by the central government, which is NCERT. Okay, so these are the chapter, so this is the NCERT book. Okay, so now this is your part 1 for chemistry, and this is your part 2 book for chemistry. Okay, so this is your part 2 book, and this is physics NCERT. So physics NCERT also we have two parts, which is part 1 and part 2. Okay, so there are totally 14 chapters, 7 chapters in this book and 7 chapters in this book. Okay, both are for class 11. So this is my part 1 and this is part 2. And then we have our biology NCERT. Now I have taken PCMB as my course for first PUC as well as second PUC. So I'll be studying PCMB as well as English and Hindi. Now this is our biology NCERT for class 11. You can see, so this is our NCERT. Okay, so biology NCERT is kind of long because it has around 5 units and many chapters. So it has around 19 chapters. Okay, so this is the index for this NCERT. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, then click the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more class 11 and class 10 content.